YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Lay and I do videos on luxury, styling, and beauty. So if you're like me, like these things, welcome to my channel. I invite you to subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss any of my uploads. Outside YouTube, you can also find me on Instagram. So in between videos, you can look at fashion inspirations and many other things on my account. I will have that link down below. And so now let's get into the video. Probably like many of you, I am aware of many cosmetic product subscription programs out there. There are a ton on those products, but I have never heard of a subscription for perfume. So I think this is quite unique, and honestly I've only heard of Scentbird when they reached out to me to make a review of their products. And so yeah, let's get into that. They offer a monthly subscription for skincare, makeup products, but they are generally offering perfumes. So how it works is you apply for a monthly subscription, you pay $14.95 every month for a bottle of perfume. I will show you guys their products in a minute. I have tried quite a few subscription boxes in the past, but most of them are for cosmetic products. I was honestly not happy with those because you cannot choose the products that you want to be in the box. This is something that I actually really appreciate because with Scentbird, you can choose the products that you want to be sent to you on a monthly basis. If you choose like 12 perfumes, so that is good for a year. They will send you 1 scent every single month, and that is for the price of $14.95. They're doing a promo right now that for your first month, if you're a new subscriber, your first month will only cost about $11.21 if I'm not mistaken. There's also a very small risk that comes with this one because you can cancel your subscription anytime, and every time they ship out the product, they will also send you a tracking number so you can, track your order and know when it will get to you. Unlike other subscriptions, this doesn't come with a box or a pouch. Mine came in a bubble pouch like this one, which I think is great. I don't think getting a pouch every month is necessary. I find that it's quite wasteful, to be honest. I didn't really get to use all of the ones that I received in the past, but this one does come with a velvet drawstring pouch like this. So they were kind enough to give me 3 samples. I was the one who chose the scents. I haven't tried 2 of these, but one of them I do use a lot. I wanted to do that because I wanted to try something I'm very familiar with, so I get to compare if the quality of the perfume is the same, because sometimes when you transfer them in small bottles like this one, the integrity of the perfume is compromised. So yeah, this is how the spray bottle looks like. It comes with about 8 ml of perfume. That is about 120 sprays, which is good for a month, I would say. And what you do is to just twist the bottom like so, and so you can use the perfume like that. Quite easy. And also, you do not see any label on the outside, but if you pull this top portion, which is the silver one, you will see the bottle with the perfume with the label of whatever perfume you chose. So this one is Versace Red Crystal. So I'm telling you guys, they have a lot of different options. They have a great selection of luxury perfumes. They even have Burberry, they have Valentino, they have Cartier. They even have my favorite scent. This was something that I used a lot in the past. It's by Bergamo. It's the scent Encanto Charm, and that one I really like. So I was quite pleased when I found it there. For the purpose of their sampling, they have limited our options, but this is something that I really still like. I don't have a whole lot of perfumes, so to be honest, it's not something that I spend a lot of money on. The ones that I have now were actually all given to me, and Versace Red Crystal is a mainstay in my perfume options. This just complements really well with my natural skin scent, and I really like this one. I have tried this for about a week now, and I'm very happy to tell you that the scent is exactly the same, and it's also as long wearing as the one that I purchased that came in this bottle. I really like how these bottles look, by the way. I don't think you can choose the colors, but just look at these different colors. They are so elegant and they are just really cute. The size is perfect for when you're carrying mini bags a lot. This is something that can fit in that as well. And also, I have never experienced leak with any of these 3. I have tried all of them. This one is Rag & Bone Bergamo. I haven't tried this in the past, and I find that this is really fresh smelling. I also tried this one from English Laundry. This is number 7. I've never tried this scent in the past as well, and I find that this is also really fresh smelling, which I always go for. I think this is a really great product, and they even have an option of sending a gift to anyone. You can choose between 3 months or 6 months or 12 months, however long you want to give that someone a perfume monthly, which is great. But then again, I believe this is not for everyone. So if you're someone who likes sticking to one scent, I don't think this is something that could work for you. I'm not sure if you can choose the same perfume for each and every month. I don't know if it can work that way. But if you're someone who likes, you know, trying different kinds of perfume every month, this is something that I think would be perfect for you. In my case, I don't use a whole lot of perfume. I just use it in the morning, and then, you know, I don't really do touch-ups during the day. And this is from Jo Malone. It's the Peony and Blush Suede scent. This was given to me by my sister about 3 years ago, and as you can see, there's still quite a bit of it in this bottle, so that's just how little I use. So to close, I really think it's a good program. The price is reasonable. The amount of perfume that you get monthly is reasonable. This is, I think, perfect for 1 month of use. And the good thing is, you know, you can try different scents without having to buy like a whole bottle of the perfume. And yeah, so that's it for this review. Again, these are samples that I received for free. I hope you found this useful. If you're interested, I will have their link down below, and I'll see you guys next time.